You're welcome to this short guide on how to use the Smartforce, and this is one of the modules that we designed for all the officers. So the officers will be able to access the officer self-service portal through they can use their phone or use their laptop. It's easy to use on both devices, even their tablet also too. So quickly, an officer we need to sign up first after being given the URL to this registration to this platform. So when you click on sign off, an officer need to provide his or her IPPIS number. It means if you don't have an IPPIS number, you can't access the system. So when you input your IPPIS number, your email address, your password, you generate everything. An email will be sent to you confirming that you can go ahead and log in. So when you receive the email, you come over to the sign into your account. Then here I have already signed in with an officer name already. I mean, I've already used that one to before now. So I'm just going to use him as the demo. Then I input in his own password. This is his own password. Then I log in. You can see how simple and how easy. I'm working live online like this. So the first thing is going to greet you with is the summary of your registration so far, your onboarding so far. You see now it showed that 23.2% have been done. At default, it will impute in your IPPIS information, your biometric information. Then you need to impute in other things, but it should like 12 point something percent at the beginning. Now this are all the forms that you're going to be filling. You can see them at a glance. So it means you're going to fill all those forms. So I click on this. If I click on current posting, for instance, you can see now I can't change my AP number. I can't change my date of enlistment because it has already been done from IPIS. You see now, you can see, you can see. So there are things that you might not be able to change. Like your biometric sign, you cannot change your name. You cannot change your date of birth or your sex. I imputed this in earlier, so I can just write something Adam Kolo, Adam Kolo, so and other information. Then you see now, then when I click on save, it will show you successfully save. Automatically it goes to the next page, which is the medical information. Then I've captured you can see the image, with the date of your genotype, everything, size, all this information here. It has already been captured before. You can also click on save, but since there's nothing that you're actually saving, but you can click on it if you want. Then the next thing, it takes you to the welfare information, where you also input in all the things. But most of this welfare information have been taken from your IPPIS platform already. You can see it. You can see it. Now this photograph, passport photograph, now will be taken at verification point. Then we have promotion, next of kin, previous work experience, dependent, educational history, everything. Yeah, all here. You pick in the school that you went, primary school you went. You type it in. We type it in. You load it. Then you come again. Let me just write. Let me just write. LG LG okay, LEA, then maybe degree primary school. Then you see all this one, they are compulsory. I can't even say if I don't put the start date and the end date on it. So that's how it goes on and on at that. At the end of the day, when you click on finish, it will tell you something that you must complete all the sessions in this data capture form before you can submit. So I can't even go ahead now because I've not even completed all my information. So that's what my summary will do. So until I finish capturing everything, all this information remains on the self-service portal. But the minute I finish capturing it, the information will now go to the admin part. The admin part, I'm going to do a video for the admin part maybe by tomorrow morning. I'm a little bit tired tonight. By tomorrow morning, I'll do the video for the admin part where you can now approve, because you will see where it's going to be landing. You cannot approve him because he need to come down to any office, maybe state force headquarter or any area command, to come and do data capturing. But you have to verify him first before you can do the approval. So this is just a summary of what we have tonight. Thank you very much.